Your Python app is slow. But which function is actually the bottleneck? cProfile is Python's built-in deterministic profiler. When you profile your code, it instruments every function call and records two critical things: how many times each function was called, and how much time was spent inside it. That raw data is the foundation for finding your performance problems, and it collects all of this with surprisingly low overhead. The output shows several columns, but the two that matter most are tottime and cumtime. Tottime is time spent exclusively inside that function, ignoring subcalls. Cumtime includes all the functions it calls too. A high cumtime but low tottime points to a slow dependency. High tottime means the function itself is the culprit. Sort by cumtime to find your biggest bottlenecks fast. Raw cProfile output can be hard to parse. The stats module lets you sort and filter results programmatically. Sort by cumtime or tottime in just a few lines. For a visual approach, snakeviz generates an interactive sunburst chart in your browser, making it immediately obvious which functions consume the most time. Running cProfile is straightforward. From the command line, use Python cProfile with this flag to sort output. Programmatically, wrap your target with cProfile.run. Unlike trace-based profiles that intercept every single line, cProfile only hooks at function boundaries, giving you accurate call-level data with minimal slowdown. Use cProfile to collect call counts and timing, read cumtime to find bottlenecks, and visualize with snakeviz. Follow for more Python performance tips. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.